Hello, myself Ashish. Today I'm going to teach a chapter Light of 10th standard. So what is light? Light is the form of energy that help us to see something around us. It goes in a straight path and its speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. There are some phenomena of light when it's hit on a surface or passing from one medium to another. So the first phenomenon that we see is the reflection of the light. So there are two types of the reflection. First is a regular refraction and second is irregular reflection. So the reflection, what is reflection? The process of sending back the light rays is called reflection in simple words. But there are two types of the reflection. When the light rays hitting on a rough surface, then it distributed in different medium. So this is called the distribution of light also, and we can also say it irregular reflection. So the first is regular reflection, the process of sending back the light rays which fall on a plane surface, plain smooth surface, or a plane mirror is called reflection of the light. So the reflection of light, process of sending back light rays that fall on a smooth or plane surface is called reflection of light. It follows two laws, that is called the law of reflection. First is the incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at a incidence point is lie on a same plane. And the second law is the angle of incidence is directly equal to the angle of reflection. So the light that is going to hit a surface, or we can say the light that is falling on a surface is called incident ray, and the light that go back after reflection is called reflected ray. And the point of the hitting on a plane mirror or a smooth surface is called the incidence point, and there is a normal that is perpendicular to the surface. So the angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, and the angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection. So the angle of incidence is indicated by I, and the angle of reflection is indicated by R. So the second law of reflection is that I is equals to R. It always follows in a regular reflection. The next topic is image. So if we put a object in the front of a mirror, then we see that there is another object is seen in the mirror, then this is called the image of the first object. According to the ray diagram, we can define it that the light ray that passing from an object meet or appears to meet at a point after reflection or refraction, then the second point is called the image of the first point. For making the image, it is necessary that the two light rays meet at a point after reflection or refraction. Without reflection or refraction, if the light rays meet at a point, it cannot form the image. So there are two type of the image. First is the real image, and second is virtual image. If we see the image and touch the image that is formed on a screen, then this image is called the real image of the object. And if we see the image in a mirror, then this image is called the virtual image of the object. According to the ray diagram figure, we can define that the light ray that passing from an object really meet at a point after reflection, then this point is called the real image of the first object, the real image of the first point. And if the light ray that passing from an object appears to meet at a point after reflection, then this point is called the virtual image of the first point. The next topic is types of the mirror. So we can classify the mirror in two types, a plane mirror and a spherical mirror. So the plane mirror is a plain glass whose one side is polished and another is reflecting surface, and the spherical mirror is a cutout part of a hollow sphere of glass whose one part is polished and another is reflecting surface. There are two type of the spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror. So if we see that we cut a sphere, then there are two parts, one is bulging out part and one is inner part. If we polish the inner part, then the bulging out part is reflecting surface. This mirror is called the convex mirror. And if the bulging out part is polished and the inner part is reflecting surface, then this is called the concave mirror. And a simple trick to remember it, that if it is in the form of cave, if the cave is reflecting surface, then this is called concave mirror, and the another is convex. And on come on the plane mirror. So if we stand in the front of the plane mirror, then we see that if we put our right hand, then this should be appear the left hand of the image, and if we put our left hand, then we see that it is the right hand of the image. So this change is called lateral inversion. This is the short video on a topic light of 10th standard. Thank you.